Okay.
Today is July 25th. Ryan's 17 weeks. And if we can get him to concentrate here, we're going to try and feed him a little bit of his first rice cereal. Hey, buddy, do you recognize this? No, here we go. Put that in our mouth. What do you think? Think you want to try a little bit? Think you want to taste a little?
Not too sure.
What do you think? What do you think? Do you want to try a little more? Want to try a little more? I didn't taste any myself. I don't know how it tastes. What do you think? Want to try a little more? No?
You might want to put a little bit more milk.
Try a little more milk
A little
too?
more soupy.
Yeah, it's kind of thickening. Ooh. But you want to try a little more? Want to try a little more?
Good boy.
Good job! What a big boy! What a big boy!
You got some that time.
Yeah.
Should we try a little more? Think you want any more? There, you can wipe up your face a little there. Want to try a little more?
Yum, yum.
Mmm. Good job. Good job, buddy. Oop, dropped a little. Maybe a little more? What do you think? Another bite?
This is different. Mmm.
Was it all to him?
It's a teaspoon. He'll take it.
Want any more?
Might sleep through the night.
Good job. That was a good one. That was a good one. Should we try a little more?
All gone.
Good job. Just got a couple more spoonfuls. Want to try any more?
He said, I hope this is the appetizer and that the steak comes after this. And the baked potatoes.
That's mushy. That looks like a little lump there. Yeah. I think he likes it.
Oh
Like it,
yeah,
buddy?
look at him.
Do you like it?
More.
Oop.
That's the fun of it. It's messy. Yeah.
You doing okay? I don't know. Think you're done?